Hey Mala, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today. We're just going to go over a few tips that you can apply right away to increase your online presence and get more of those organic leads coming in. So the first thing we need to know is that 70% of all organic leads come from your website. So it is very critical that your website is optimized so that Google can put you in front of your customers. So as you can see, we're on your website. You have a very nice looking website. Looks like you have separate pages for each of your services, which is perfect. It's exactly what you want. Let's see. See a little bit of content here. And a little bit of content here. I'm not seeing any keywords. No. Looks like interlinking, so that's good. Some more content. Reviews are always a good thing. All right, so Google does not rank your website based on appearance. They have robots called crawlers that go and index all of your pages to pull your content and keywords so they can put you in front of your customers. So your content on your home page, Google wants a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words or more. If your competitors have more content, you need more than they do. So you need more content on your homepage, and you need to focus it on those buyer intent local keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for when they need your services, especially in an emergency. They're probably not going to care what the name of your company is. They're going to be Googling the service that they actually need, and they're going to contact the first person that they can that can come out to them. So it is important to work on that content and keyword strategy. All of your back pages and service pages should also have good content around those keywords for those services in your service area. And if you serve all of Pennsylvania, then you should also have additional pages for all the major communities in Pennsylvania that you service that has any type of search volume. One of your top competitors in your area is Mahalko's. They have an okay website. They have the separate pages for their services. They have a little bit of content, and that's about it. So these guys should actually be relatively easy to beat. You just need to have more content than they do and to focus on those keywords. That would be the first step. This is Ahrefs. It's a program that analyzes how your website is performing. As you can see right here, you have a 0 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means that Google does not trust your website yet. And that's 100% because you're referring domains and backlinks. You just don't have very many. You need a lot of backlinks, but not all backlinks are good. They're not created equal. So you do need to make sure you have highly authoritative backlinks that are do follows and related to your industry. And you'll need a lot more of those than your top competitors in each of your service areas. Because you don't have a whole lot of content, you are not indexed for any keywords yet, and so you're not getting any traffic to your website. I'm not really showing a whole lot of data here, so your website might be relatively new, but I'm not sure. So that could be part of it. Age matters. If we look at your competitor, they also have a really low score of a 2.3 with 28 backlinks. So what that tells you is that not all those backlinks are good quality. They have more pages and more keyword usage, so they're indexed for over 70 keywords, and they're getting about 83 people to their website a month. They also do not have service area pages, so they're missing the boat on that as well. But it will be super easy for you guys to beat them by getting more quality backlinks, using the good keyword strategy and building your backlinks off those keywords to rank them. And you can capture this traffic and more. There's thousands of search volume throughout the state of Pennsylvania that you're missing out on. A backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is that's linking to you, the more power it's going to give you and the higher it's going to help you to rank. But it is important that they are do follows so that they share the high power of those sites, and that you're linking these to your buyer intent keywords so that you can rank for those services and service areas, and Google can put you in front of the customers when they're searching for those terms. And the last thing I want to talk about real quick is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in this top 3 section for each of your service areas and relative keywords, because 30% of people come straight to the maps and don't go any further. So although you are in the top 3 in Johnstown, you're not in many other areas. So you're definitely going to want to optimize this. And in order to be in the top 3, there's a bunch of factors, but the most important is citations, which is the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages, Dex, etc. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors in each of your service areas. And when you follow all of these tips that I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all your relative keywords and service areas. So you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? You can either take this information I provided you and apply it yourself, and that's completely okay, because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. Now, if you would like help getting this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.